Hi, my name is Chuck Hemeseth, Director of Customer Support at Cambium Networks. On April 3rd, 2017, Cambium is launching Cambium Care. Cambium Care provides varying levels of service depending on your service needs. On April 3rd, we will be decommissioning the capability to open trouble tickets via the support@cambiumnetworks.com email address. Opening tickets via the Cambium support portal will become one of the primary means of submitting a request. Today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the process of opening and managing support tickets via the portal. So the first thing you will need is to register to get access to our Cambium Support Center. So from the support.cambiumnetworks.com webpage, click on the register button in the upper right. From there you'll be directed to input your email address and click register. Once that's done, you'll be sent an email. There'll be a link in that email which will guide you through the registration process, which will get you a login and password and ultimately access to the support portal. I've already got a login, so I'm going to log in to my account. So once logged into the Cambium Support Center, there are two things I want to focus on today: how to open a trouble ticket and how to open a ticket for an RMA. So if you look in the upper right-hand corner up by your name, there's a button, Submit a Request. Click on Submit a Request, and you'll be given a couple options. One is open a technical support request or open an RMA ticket. Let's start with opening a technical support request. Once I click on that, we'll be given a form to fill out with various key pieces of information. You're allowed to add email addresses that will be copied to ticket responses and various dialogues in the CC box here. Subject line is very important. Please be specific in the problem you're having. In this particular case, I'm going to say the PMP 450, I'm having problems with the CMM. If you notice, when you type in keywords, it pulls up various knowledge-based articles that may be of significance to the problem you're having and may even help solve the problem. There's a whole list of them here. Deploying PMP 450 with CMM looks like something that might solve my problem. It'll take you to that knowledge-based article. You can browse it. If it solves your problem, fantastic. If not, we go back and we finish opening the ticket. In the description area, please add any information that is pertinent to this particular case, what you've done to resolve the issue, what you think caused the issue, what the problem is, etc. Also, please, any additional information is helpful. The next box is network status at the time of the ticket creation. We want to know what you were doing when this problem occurred. In this particular case, I'm going to choose that I added new hardware, and I'm adding a CMM, so I added new Cambium hardware. Next box is please choose a reason that most closely describes your issue. In this particular case, it's an installation issue as I'm doing a new install. And next I need to specify the Cambium product. In this particular case, it's a point-to-multipoint and a point-to-multipoint model 450. Product type. This will narrow down a little bit further. In this particular case, I have to choose between access point or subscriber module, and the fact that I'm interfacing with a CMM, I'm choosing access point. The next two boxes, MSN and ESN, are not critical pieces of information for a trouble ticket. However, it does help us identify part numbers, exactly which model number you're working with. So if you have that information, please provide it. We understand that sometimes these radios and equipment are either at a remote site or up on a tower, and it's difficult to get that information. But if you have it, please provide it. And at the bottom, you're allowed to add additional information if you have that in a file form so that you can attach it there. Once all that information is input, hit submit. Once you hit submit, you're going to be given a synopsis of the ticket on the right-hand side of the screen, as well as the ticket number, 114928, and then a dialog box which you can add additional emails or add any additional information that you may have forgot to do when you submitted the ticket. Once this ticket number is created, you will be also given sent an email And from there, you can start the dialogue with the engineer that'll be assigned to this ticket. So that covers opening a trouble ticket request. Now I'm going to cover opening an RMA request. So again, click on the Submit a Request in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. This time, instead of technical support, I'm going to choose RMA ticket. And again, a very similar type form is going to show up. Again, you could add additional people to the emails. Subject line, again, very important, PMP 450. In this case, I'm going to say it does not power up, which would be a good case for an RMA. Again, it's keys off of the words that you put in there, and it pulls up various articles. You may find one that may identify your problem and may even solve your problem. If not, continue with the trouble ticket. Again, any information you have on the description of the problem, please add it in the description box. Purchase date is key. We use this as a gauge to determine how old that product is, and that helps us to determine whether that product may be under the standard warranty or if you have an extended warranty. But in any case, it's not. We still look at the entitlement of that product, but it gives us at least an idea how old the product is. Cambium Networks product in this particular case, again, point to multi-point, model 450, and product type, again, access point. Shipping address, please be very specific on this, as this is where once we complete the repair or provide a replacement, that's where we'll be shipping the product. And phone number in case we need to get a hold of you for any reason. So please make sure you fill that information in. Hardware issue category kind of narrows down the type of problems you're having. In this particular case, radio will not power up. The next box, if you have any other additional information on the hardware failure you're experiencing, please add that information. The next two are key for an RMA. For a trouble ticket, I said they were critical but not necessary. In this particular case, we need these two numbers in order to process the RMA. We need to. These numbers are key in figuring out whether you have these products are under warranty, if you have an extended warranty, whatever the case. But these are key pieces of information. And again, you're allowed to add a file with other information at the end. Again, hit submit. As like the trouble ticket case, the synopsis of the ticket is on the right-hand side. You're allowed to add additional information in the dialogue portion of the ticket, and you're given the ticket number 114929. Now that I've opened two tickets, and now maybe I want to go back and see what the status of those tickets are, take a look at them, see how many tickets I have open. There's a button up here in the top called My Requests. If I click on that, this shows all of the tickets I've opened. And if you notice, the top two tickets were open within the last 4 minutes. And these are the two tickets. The PMP 450 with CMM was the trouble ticket I opened, and the PMP 450 does not power up, 114929, is the RMA ticket that I open. So if we click on any of these, again, it takes us back to this dialog box. So that's how you check active requests that you currently own. After a ticket's open, it'll be handled in accordance with the support program you are using. The ticket priority varies according to whether you have purchased Cambium Care Plus or Cambium Care Prime, or whether you are Cambium Care Standard customer. Go to the support section of the Cambium website and click on Cambium Care for more details on those different packages. Come visit us on our support portal for opening tickets and other useful information at support.cambiumnetworks.com. Thank you and have a good day.